Hello everyone. Just imagine a scenario today. There is a gigantic thing in your room, in front of you. But everyone present in that room is behaving as if there is nothing in the room. Surprising, right? But that happens. So, our today's idiom is related to this scenario. And the idiom is elephant in the room. Elephant in the room. This idiom is used in the similar scenario when there is an obvious problem that no one wants to talk about. Please remember, the highlighted word here is obvious. It's there, everyone knows, but no one wants to talk about it. It's not like that people have not seen it, people know about it, but they don't want to discuss about it. Okay, that is why the idiom is elephant in the room, because elephant is so huge that if it is in front of you in your room, obviously you will have a look at it. You are bound to pay attention to it. But if you are pretending that there is nothing in the room, then in that scenario, this idiom can be used. Elephant in the room. Let's take few examples now. Our manager's absenteeism is the elephant in the room. We all know about his irregularity but can't say anything. Pay attention again. Our manager's absenteeism is the elephant in the room. We all know about his irregularity but can't say anything. So, manager is our boss and he is, frequently absent. But as his subordinates, we can't do anything. We all know about the problem that he is very irregular. But we can't do anything, we can't even discuss about it. So his absenteeism is elephant in the room. Let's take one more example. Media focuses on the trivial issues and ignore the elephant in the room. Truth of today's time. Okay, one last example. And I hope you will be able to use it then in your own sentences. There was an elephant in the room for the whole meeting until our boss finally addressed it. So, elephant in the room stands for an obvious problem that no one wants to talk about. I hope you have understood this idiom very well and you are going to use it in your own sentences. If you do that, please let me know. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.